An artist who is not embarrassing to the UK, and you've been around for a long time. And I know you had to tune Fiyah that everybody remembers, and and tried to do that fast tongue stuff, which I have never mastered. Yeah. But what are you doing out of the world? Who would you really, really like to work with if you had an option and you could get that person? And you probably could. Who would you really like to work with?
Well, at the moment, on a reggae, I'd love to work with Demolition. He's my bona fide brethren. He's from Trinidad, and as an artist, I really love to work with Car. Trust me, he's sick.
Okay.
Yeah. I'd like to work with Tiny Temper.
Tiny Temper?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'd like.
So that's UK?
That's UK, right.
Okay, and what about US?
US, I'd like to work with Busta. Always wanted to work with Busta. Right?
Serious? He ain't got no locks no more, you know.
I know.
He ain't got no locks.
I always like to work with Busta. I just love his vibes for some reason. And even T-Pain.
And T-Pain?
Yeah.
T-Pain?
I like him with his vibes. I like his, I don't know, there's something about it.
But take him to take off that thing off his voice. I know you can't say too much, but a little snippet so people know what you're on, where they can get to see you.
Well, right now, a single has just been released. It's been uploaded on iTunes. Jungle Bust Me.
That's a big tune.
Yeah, it's actually downloadable now on iTunes and 350 different websites. My website is actually, the holding page is called, it should be at Rose, but it's meant to be a surprise, but I think I've just revealed it now. And A1 as well, and there's a few other things as well, but right now I'm working on Third Eye Records. I'm rehearsing every week at the Jam with a band called Alabama.
Oh, what's that, the Jam, on the 18th of November?
www.rasdemolitionman.com. You can actually go on there and see the website. It's got a link to my Twitter page, my Facebook, and my Facebook fan page, and my MySpace as well. Okay. I'm actually, the vinyl and the CD is going to be coming out as well, so we're actually doing it in all formats as well. Okay. That's coming out, that's actually out on Third Eye Records, produced by Potential Bad Boy. Working on the next single, basically, it's called Don't Change Your Mind. Yeah, but we might change our mind and do another one, but because this one's hot, we're going to do a video on the 12th of November. So that's the next single. It's something different where you're not expecting from Demolition. Done a collaboration with Frisco MC from Boy Better Know and Jammer from Boy Better Know. I've done
I can't tell them anymore.
I've done another collaboration.
Oh, but they're kind of young to you.
Skibbity, MC Det, Shabba.
Wow, Skibbity as well. I love Skibbity.
MC Det and Shabba. All of us on a tune. Watch out for that.
And what's the track called?
That track's called Louder. Turn it up louder.
I know that.
And there's a track with me and Skibber as well. That one's called Bigger.
Bigger. So you got Louder and Bigger.
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 And there's another track as well.
Louder and Bigger.
There's another track with me called a girl named Mary Lou, who's actually from X Factor. And a track with myself and Double S. Yeah.
Who's Double S?
Double S, man. Double D, Double S.
Double D, Double S.
Alright, and that's a track that was actually produced at Bermondsey Studio, R1 Production.
South London.
The guys actually grew Tiny Temper from he was around 13 years old.
Okay, so you're working with a lot of artists at the moment.
I'm collaborating, man. I'm collaborating, you know what I mean? So anyone else, you know what I'm looking for now? I'm looking for Skepta. And you will be a try to find me. And gigs, you told me I look for Uno. You told me I look for Uno. I look for Uno. I just spoke to Mega Man last night as well, you get me? Yeah, I'm a veteran in this year. I'm looking for all the youngsters. Yeah, I'm on do tours with them because I feel with time.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah? Hold on. They're the youngsters the ones that told me I and I can do your thing. I can tell me your thing.
But are you saying you can do what the young people can do?
Yeah, I can do it.
You can do it?
Oh, I can definitely do it.
Alright. So you heard that. That's Demo. Demo, you're going to give them something to say bye to.
Alright then.
It's not about north, east, south or west, or who can test. It's not about which MC can talk, or who's the best. No more now. Yeah. And what about for the ladies?
Alright, then the ladies. Well, I told my lady I'll be back in the morning. You will know as soon as I reach. So me, I beg you stop calling me.